Ciao, welcome to SimpleItalianCooking.com. My name is Liz. I've got a great little how-to tip for those you gardeners out there. Actually, you don't even have to be a gardener. So we all have a problem with how do you keep fresh herbs fresh longer? So we buy them at the store, they come in a little package, and you don't get to cook what you want to cook, and before you know it, it is no longer viable to use because it has wilted and gone bad. Happens many times, right? Well, I have a little tip. So, you can buy on Amazon the products, they're called herb savers, and you can put them in there and you keep them in the fridge and they stay fresher longer. Now, I've never used one of those as of the recording date of today, but you know what? I have a tip of how you can do it and it won't cost you a dime because you probably have everything you need right at home. So what we have here, I have some Italian parsley, fresh Italian parsley. All you need is a bag. I'm using a Ziploc bag, but you can use any type of plastic bag that you have. Just make sure that it's clean. And then a rubber band, okay? If you don't have a rubber band, you can even use some just regular Scotch tape, okay? If you have that available, you can use that. You can even use string, okay? So, and then what you're gonna need is a mason jar, but I'm gonna make it easy for you. It doesn't even have to be a mason jar. What it can be is simply any type of jar like this. This was a jar that we saved, and it was from store-bought pasta sauce. But it could be anything, and you don't even need the lid, so you can even get rid of that. So I'm going to go ahead and I will just go ahead and use the mason jar. So all you're going to do is simply cut off the limbs here, cut off the branches, okay, and make it a decent size, okay. So do that, and that'll be good. Like I said, this is really big, so yours may be smaller, might be larger. All you're going to do, put them in like that, okay. Maybe even cut some of this off. I have enough here. Yeah, maybe I should have left that. Doesn't fall in. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill it up no more than halfway, but I want to make sure that all of the stems are at least submerged in the water. And I'm just using tap water. Ideally, it would be a third of the way, but since some of mine are a little short, I'm going to go ahead and just see how it goes doing it halfway. Okay, but you don't really need to go any more than that. So we have our Italian parsley in a jar. Take your bag and cover it like this. Okay, nice. And again, if all you have is some Scotch tape, you can use that, but a rubber band is easier to take on and off. And simply use the rubber band or whatever you're using, tie it. Now you have your own homemade herb saver and it goes right in the fridge. So I hope that you take advantage of this tip, and I hope that your herbs stay wonderfully fresh so that you can use them in your cooking day after day. So thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and these type of topics and tips and cooking tips, well, make sure to give us a like, give us a share, and subscribe. Hit that notification button. Thanks so much for watching. Grazie e ciao.